Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Joe Biden filter on Snapchat. And then from Snapchat, of course, you can go ahead and create a video and then put it over to TikTok or Instagram or any other social media you would like to. It's really easy to do. I just have a link in the description as well as in the comment section down below. You're just going to go ahead and click that and it'll bring you over to this website right here. Then you're just going to click on open in Snapchat and then open. And that's going to say you have to unlock for 48 hours. So we will just click unlock for 48 hours. And then you're just going to move it to a face. And then you will then see it then creates the Joe Biden face on that person. It's really, really easy to do. And like I said, if you want to put it over to TikTok or Instagram, you just want to record a video right here and then save it to your camera roll. And then you'll be able to go ahead and post it onto TikTok or Instagram. Really, really easy to do. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this helps you guys out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.